Loose. Plug it in. Really loose.
Yeah.
So you push down on it.
Yeah.
And you grab the top one, pull it, and then
Whatchamacallit?
see that goes on the belt like that, and the joint. See, when you have an accident, right, it pulls forward, and because this is, it pulls up like that, but this joins the two belts together, so it can't do that. Over.
Yeah.
Just,
I'll just click that one. That's it.
and you know that as the baby gets bigger, you move it up these holes.
Yeah.
I would have thought that. Well, that's how the baby goes in there. That's for around.
The head.
Yeah. Well, I wouldn't even worry about it.
Yeah.
And then make sure that when you know, once in a while you untwist these, so they're not twisted.
Yeah.
And then to tighten it up, you just pull this strap here. Pull this. You just pull this tighter,
Yeah.
and that tightens it up.
Okay.
Make sure the baby's in there tight. Not too tight, but you got to remember, in a car accident, they can come flying out if the belt's loose.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you know, you'll probably have to adjust it every couple of, and you adjust it by. There's a, see in here where my thumb is.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You push that down.
Yeah.
And you can pull that out.
Okay.
See, normally when you pull it, see that you got that.
Yeah.
You can pull it either way.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You know, otherwise just take it out and have a look. You know,
Yeah.
underneath it, you'll work it out.
Okay.